Hello, and welcome to this video. Have you ever wondered why some programmers progress so quickly and succeed in big, exciting projects? So, what's their secret to success? Today, we're going to talk about 4 incredibly important habits that every programmer aiming for success must have. If you stay with me until the end of the video, I promise your perspective on programming and the path to success will completely change. One, continuous learning, enjoying the process. The world of programming changes every day. New technologies, modern programming languages, and powerful tools constantly emerge. A successful programmer always dedicates time to learning. Even if it's just 10 minutes a day, this habit of continuous learning ensures you won't fall behind. Why is it important? The tech world is constantly evolving. Languages like Python or JavaScript were relatively less known years ago, but are now fundamental pillars of programming. If we stop learning, we quickly get left behind. Guy Ritchie, known as one of Google's successful developers, always allocates daily time for learning. He once mentioned that when React was introduced, he knew nothing about it. However, he studied for 1 hour every night, worked on small projects, and within 2 months, he was managing large projects with React. This habit of continuous learning allowed him to seize more career opportunities. How to make it practical. 1. Dedicate 10 minutes daily to studying or watching a new tutorial. 2. Create small projects for yourself. For example, if you learned how to use an API today, design a weather application. 3. Familiarize yourself with new technologies, even if they aren't part of your work. For instance, explore how ChatGPT or artificial intelligence works. 2. Focusing on problem solving. Programming isn't just about writing code. It's the art of solving problems. A successful programmer always strives to identify the root cause of issues and deliver the best solution. If you only think about coding, you won't go far. But if you learn to think like a problem solver, a world of opportunities will open up for you. Why is it important? If you just write code without understanding the core problem, you'll never be able to provide creative solutions. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Tesla look for problem solvers, not just people who know programming languages. John Carmack, one of the main creators of Doom and Quake, spent most of his time understanding complex problems. For example, when 3D games were still in their infancy, Carmack solved the issue of slow graphics by inventing a new algorithm called binary space partitioning. This focus on problem-solving revolutionized his games. How to make it practical. 1. When faced with a problem, instead of jumping straight into coding, ask yourself these questions first. What exactly is the problem? Why did this problem arise? What alternative solutions are available? 2. Use websites like LeetCode or CodeWars to solve different challenges. These platforms help you develop analytical and problem-solving skills. 3. Analyze real-world projects such as: what issue did Instagram users face that led to the introduction of stories? How were the challenges of startups using online payment systems solved with banking APIs? 3. Time management and precise planning. Many programmers struggle with stress and unfinished tasks because they don't know how to manage their time. You need to learn how to prioritize your work and stick to your schedule. Tools like Trello or Notion can be incredibly helpful. For collaboration and teamwork. In the real world, programming is a team activity. You must be able to communicate with others, share your ideas, and use feedback to improve. Even the best coders can't achieve much without a team. So, learn how to grow alongside others. These 4 simple yet essential habits can completely transform your journey toward success in programming. If you implement these habits in your daily life, you'll not only become more professional in your work, but also gain greater self-confidence. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments which habit you think is the most important and why. Thank you for staying with me until the end.